Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalay Warje Pune. We will learn chapter number 1, linear equation in two variable. Let us study. In this chapter we will learn method of solving linear equation in two variable, graphical method and Cramer's method. And also we learn equation that can be transformed in a linear equation in two variable and application of simultaneous equation. In the previous standard, we will learn how to solve the linear equation in two variable by elimination method. Let us recall linear equation in two variable. An equation which contain two variable and the degree of each terms containing variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो लक्षात ठेवा ही लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल म्हणजे काय तर त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये दोन व्हेरिएबल हवेत आणि ज्या टर्म मध्ये व्हेरिएबल आहे त्या टर्मची डिग्री ही 1 पाहिजे. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation in two variable where a, b, c are real number and the coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b are not equal to 0 at the same time. Remember this. म्हणजे एकाच वेळी x चा आणि y चा जो कोएफिशिएंट आहे तो 0 नको आहे. a 0 असेल तर b 0 नको आणि b 0 असेल तर a 0 नको. Activity: complete the following table. Is the given equation is a linear equation in two variable? First, in the first term m is the variable and index of the variable m is nothing means 1. Also, in the second term m is the variable and index of the variable is 1. Therefore, the degree of the first term is 1 and also degree of the second term is 1. Coefficient of variable m is 4 and coefficient of variable n is 3 that are not equal to 0. Therefore, we say that the given equation 4m plus 3n is equal to 12 is the linear equation in two variable. The second equation is given 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Can you tell me which variables occurs in this equation? X and y, these two variables occurs in this equation. In the first term, power of the variable x is 2. Therefore, the degree of the first term is 2 and that is not equal to 1. लक्षात घ्या इथे इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल साठी प्रत्येक टर्मची डिग्री किती लागणार आहे 1 लागणार आहे पण इथे पहिल्या टर्मचीच डिग्री 2 आलेली आहे. दॅट मीन्स द गिवन इक्वेशन 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13 is not a linear equation. Third equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 16. Observe in this equation there are two variable x and y. In the first term, variable x has index 1, therefore degree of the first term is 1, and in the second term, variable y has its index 1. So, the degree of the second term is also 1. And the coefficient of variable x and y are not equal to 0 at the same time. So, we say that 2x minus 5y is equal to 16 is the linear equation in two variable. 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. In the first term, variable x has index 1. So, the degree of the first term is 1. In the second term, variable has index 1. So, in this equation, the degree of the first term is 1 and that of degree of second term is 1. Observe the coefficient of x and y. The coefficient of x is 0 and that of y is 6. These coefficient are not equal to 0 at the same time. लक्षात घ्या इथं एकाच वेळी x चा कोएफिशिएंट आणि y चा कोएफिशिएंट 0 नाही आहे. x चा कोएफिशिएंट 0 आहे परंतु त्याच वेळी y चा कोएफिशिएंट 0 नाही. By the condition the coefficient of variable x and y are not equal to 0 at the same time. So, we say that the equation 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variable. 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. In the first term, there is the x variable and index of the variable is 1. Therefore, the degree of the first term is 1. Also, in the second term, there is the y variable and index of the variable y is 1. Therefore, degree of the second term is 1. Now, the coefficient of x is 0.3, which is not equal to 0, and coefficient of y is 0. These coefficient of x and y are not equal to 0 at the same time. इथे जर आपण पाहिलं तर x चा coefficient 0.3 आहे आणि y चा coefficient 0 आहे. एकाच वेळी दोघांचे coefficient 0 नाही आहे. Therefore, by the definition we say that the 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0 is the linear equation in two variable. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Observe these two variables occurs in the denominator. We carry this variable in the numerator. If we carry this variable in the numerator, then we have to change the sign of their index. छेदातले व्हेरिएबल अंशात आणताना काय करायला पाहिजे? त्यांच्या इंडेक्सचं साइन चेंज करायचं आहे. x चा इंडेक्स नाही म्हणजे 1, y चा सुद्धा इंडेक्स नाही म्हणजे 1. तर ते ट्रान्सफर न्यूमरेटर मध्ये करताना +1 चं -1 होणार आहे. म्हणजेच असं येईल 4 into x raised to -1 plus 5 y raised to -1 is equal to 4. Observe, in the first term the index of the variable x is -1. Therefore, the degree of the first term is -1, that is not equal to 1. आणि सेकंड टर्मची सुद्धा डिग्री -1 आहे, ती 1 नाही आहे. Therefore, we say that this equation is not a linear equation in two variable. 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Observe, in the first term there are two variables. लक्षात घ्या, पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये दोन व्हेरिएबल आहेत. x व्हेरिएबलचा इंडेक्स 1 आहे आणि y व्हेरिएबलचा सुद्धा इंडेक्स 1 आहे. आता डिग्री करताना काय करायला पाहिजे? या दोन इंडेक्सची ॲडिशन घेतात तेव्हा त्याची डिग्री सांगता येईल आपल्याला. ॲडिशन किती आली? 2 आलेली आहे. That means the degree of the first term is 2 and that is not equal to 1. Therefore, this equation 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0 is not a linear equation in two variable because the degree of the first term is 2. That is not equal to 1. Therefore, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0 is not a linear equation in two variable. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video and like this video. Thank you.